Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and initiating pairing. Make sure the watch is charged above 50% and sits within arm's reach of your iPhone. On the phone, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi so the devices can discover each other, and open the watch app right away. When you tap Start Pairing, the camera view appears to scan the watch animation. Position the watch in the frame until the phone confirms a match. Once done, the iPhone will ask about restoring a backup or setting up as new. Once pairing begins, you decide whether to restore from a backup or set the watch up as new. Choose the Apple ID account used for purchases and health data so continuity works. You'll be prompted to create a passcode, enable wrist detection for security, and opt into cellular if your model supports it. Make those selections now to avoid later gaps. The iPhone then starts syncing settings and apps. Monitor progress and keep both devices unlocked and nearby until the transfer completes fully, which may take several minutes. You finish by verifying notifications, granting health and location permissions, and selecting a watch face and complications that match your workflow. Make sure health data and iCloud sync are enabled so steps, workouts, and backups update automatically. If the watch fails to complete setup, restart both devices, toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and retry the pairing sequence. That resolves most issues. If problems persist, perform a factory reset on the watch from its settings menu and start the pairing process again. This clears stuck states and almost always fixes connectivity.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.